Today is a continuation of the series on health issues related to congestion in different chakras. So as I've been mentioning, the chakras are very important for our health, and I think of them as transformers of information. So they can interpret the subtle energies in our environment and translate those into the sonic and electrical language of our nervous system and chemical language of our endocrine system. And each chakra is associated with an endocrine gland and an autonomic nerve plexus. So the fifth chakra is what we're going to be talking about today, is in the throat. And the fifth chakra just itself is related to being able to speak your truth and to express yourself. And it can become blocked or congested if you grow up in an environment where that's not condoned and you're having to hold your thoughts and hold your mouth, not express what you're feeling. It also tends to get congested if there's a lot of grief that's unexpressed. There's a saying in Chinese medicine that unexpressed grief is like you've swallowed the pit of a plum and it's stuck right here. So it's like gets stuck, and kind of the energy gets constricted and stuck in the throat. So what kind of health issues can you see if you have stuck energy in your fifth chakra? Well, this part of the body and the fifth chakra is associated with your thyroid gland. And your thyroid produces hormones that are involved in your metabolism. And also the thyroid hormones are good for the brain, good for mood, and good for helping your body temperature and skin quality. So the symptoms of low thyroid are fatigue, weight gain, feeling sluggish, especially in the morning, a tendency toward depression and anxiety, loss of clarity of thought and diminished focus and concentration, and sometimes dry skin and hair loss that's relatively uniform on the head with drier hair. So those are symptoms of hypothyroidism, and you can see all of that with congestion of the energy of your fifth chakra. So you can also have that plum pit feeling of just kind of like a lump in the throat of like you want to cry but you can't, and it's all stuck right there. So highly recommend that if you have any of these symptoms, you spend some time with your fifth chakra and seating your awareness in your fifth chakra when you're meditating. And you can tune into whether there's any stuck energy there, yes or no. And if yes, you can sit with it for a bit and ask for the message to be communicated, so you can really understand what it is you're not expressing, and what it is that you want to say. And then once you've done that, you can ground off energy that's no longer wanted. So you can almost envision like a funnel or a hose from the back of your fifth chakra going down into the earth, or from the front draining down. And usually thought, energy follows thought. So if you're envisioning that, you can trust that it will occur.